Well, good morning. Hiking down to I-10 and the railroad. I can actually hear the railroad coming by. I'll take a picture of this from the other way. It's already getting hot. It's probably just a little after 7 a.m. Have another couple miles to go to get some water. I'm okay with water, but definitely going to tank up there. I pretty much want to get through this low-lying hot area as soon as I can, though. Yeah. So this is an orientation. There's actually a road going out there. There's actually a community down there, right down here. I had no idea that people were living here. The trail comes out, I think, on this little track here, and then it scoots up here, and in the distance you can see the sort of town that it goes through. There's no amenities there. Crosses over I-10, which goes between San Bernardino and Palm Springs. And then figuring out where it goes, I think it goes up here, maybe along this ridge a little bit, and then it must drop down because the Whitewater River is there, and that's going to be the next water source after the one I hit in about 3 miles or so. So it's going to be about a 15-mile carry, and then panning across here in the distance you can see just the top there of San Gorgonio Peak. So the trail then must go over that way a little bit, and then over the top and to Big Bear Lake. So that's an orientation of where I'll be headed the next few days. Well, I'm now under my artificial shade. Okay, well, I'm now under my artificial shade, and back there at what's called in the trail guide the faucet, I watered up. So I'm carrying 5 3/4 liters of water. I can't imagine that I'm gonna use all that, but we'll see. I don't do well in the heat. I gotta say that. I just don't. And I don't regulate my body temperature, I think, as well as other people do. So I need a lot of water. I have 15 miles between there and the next water source, which is the Whitewater River. And I'm crossing over this long, flat area of desert south of I-10 between San Bernardino and Palm Springs. And so crossing through this area of scrub here under my artificial shade. Trying to make as many tracks as I can while I'm way down here, almost 1,000 feet elevation, way down from what I was 9,000 feet a couple days ago. So a lot hotter, and I want to get through it as soon as I can. It's a little after 9 o'clock in the morning, but it's already warm, and just trying to walk here, because there isn't a whole lot here other than these sort of off-roading tracks through the scrub brush here. I'll check in with you later. How cool is that? That is dramatic. Not a drop of water anywhere. Okay. Just heading into the San Gorgonio wilderness. Wow, this wasn't supposed to be here. Yeah, a couple hundred tadpoles. Life starts wherever there's water in the West. Yeah, I don't need to camel up from this, but maybe I'll like soak my t-shirt or something. Wow! I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the sound of rushing water. And it's down there. And I think there's some people down there. Looks like a blue tent, sort of like right in the middle. Oops, sorry. My shade. And maybe some others right sort of on the shore of the stream going through. That whole broad area can be flooded. And it's just that little bit that's the river, that dark spot. So, I'm pretty sure that's the trail down there. So it's just gonna wind back and forth through this canyon, I think, and then I'm down at the Whitewater River. Let's go see. There it is. I was right. Here's the blue tent and the Whitewater River. Probably hear it by now. Well, I'm right by Whitewater. So, just this. It's flowing in the background. Okay. Oh. Oh. So every bit of it. This is really cool. Very, very refreshing. Well, that little streak there, that's the Whitewater River. I'm not exactly sure where we came down, maybe like there. And then, isn't that fantastic? And that must be like San Gorgonio Peak back there. And then this is the valley that we followed up from the Whitewater River. Just went into a dead end there and we're coming around. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Well, to recap the day, 1st of June. Started out, I believe it was mile 200. Ended up at mile 228. Lots of stuff. Continued the descent down a few thousand feet south of I-10. Went to the faucet. Packed up with like 5.5 liters of water. I mean, just crazy amount of water. I didn't need that much. But then we hiked to the I-10 underpass, and sure enough, there was trail magic there. So 3 hot dogs, a couple of bags of chips, a bag of sliced apples, and a couple Cokes, and I was on my way. Actually, I was there about 45 minutes. And kind of a long climb up. Off to the right was a whole bunch of windmills, and we sort of hiked around the backside of those, and then up and then Sure enough, I was trying to figure out where this Whitewater River was, and that's exactly where it was. Stopped and had a wash and a bath and soaked my feet and had a great time there. After the Whitewater River, I was hiking along with a few other people, and we hiked up and down into Mission Creek, and that's where I am right now. I'm up a few miles from where the trail first intersects Mission Creek. I wanted to get a couple miles jump on the next day, so going to be cowboy camping again here tonight. Pretty tired, and just kind of running out of gas. I'm afraid I didn't pack enough lunches and have enough snacks. The Trail Magic helped today extend some of that, but I could see that I was running out of gas at the end of the day. But had a great day.